Look what I have. Sunnyleone sent me a lip product. So this is Starstruck by Sunnyleone and she sent me her lip color in the shade Rooberry. The logo and the packaging is really pretty. So the wand is really small, which is absolutely perfect if you have thin lips. So let's try it on. I'm instantly liking it. Wow. The pigmentation is really screaming. So it's on my lips. I mean, like, I can see a lot of people can use this. I'm going to wear this the whole day, so read caption to know about the product more. This is really pretty. I wonder how it looks on my cheeks. I hope this was not a bad idea. Wow, it blended really well. I mean, it's a look, right? Follow for more.